Hi, how are you? Whooping cough is an extreme infectious disease which infects the respiratory tract in the body. Whooping cough is also known as pertussis. Whooping cough is different from the normal cough. One can identify whooping cough by severe coughing followed by a high-pitched inhalation with sounds like whoop. It was earlier considered as a childhood disease, as it usually occurs in infants. Person with low immunity also gets infected easily with this condition. But don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best remedies to treat whooping cough. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, fenugreek seeds. Garlic to treat whooping cough. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic juice 2 to 3 times a day to treat whooping cough. On the other hand, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic juice and add it to 1 cup of water. Boil it and add honey, 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day to get rid of whooping cough. Ginger to treat whooping cough. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh pounded ginger. Add it to 1 cup of water and boil it for a few minutes. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day to get rid of cough. You can add honey to sweeten it. Turmeric to treat whooping cough. Crush some raw turmeric to a powder form. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered turmeric in a glass of warm milk. Drink it twice a day to treat whooping cough faster. Fenugreek seeds to treat whooping cough. Soak a handful of fenugreek seeds in water for the whole night. In the morning, crush the seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed fenugreek seeds in a glass of water. Drink it every day once to get rid of whooping cough. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.